Hello everyone, welcome to TryRed. This is Pack 365. Today in this session, we are going to learn about TallyPrime. In TallyPrime, the first chapter is Introduction of Tally. In Introduction of Tally, we are going to cover these concepts like overview of accounting and ERP, introduction to Tally, features of Tally, advantages of using Tally, installation process, navigation, and conclusion. Now, overview of accounting and ERP. First, what is meant by accounting? Accounting is an art of regarding, classifying, summarizing, and interpreting financial transaction in terms of money. In simple words, it's a way to keep track of all money coming in and going out of a business and make sense of it. Now, key accounting features in Tally. First, vouchers entry and ledger creation. Record every transaction and organize in under accounts. Now, trial balance and profit and loss account, balance sheet. Summarize accounts to see financial health. Now, inventory features. Tally also manages goods and stocks, stock items and groups, organize products, units of measure, quantity products correctly. Then go downs, track stock locations. Now coming to GST features. Tally helps with tax compliance, GST configuration and reports, filing GST R1 and GST 3B. Banking features are Tally helps with bank operations like bank reconciliations, helps to match lookbooks with bank statements, check printing, print checks directly from the system. Security. Now, uh, Tally allows user level access control and data backup and restore, keeping business data safe. Now, what is ERP? ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning, is a type of software that helps business automate and manage core operations. It connects different departments so that data flows seamlessly, avoiding duplication and errors. For example, departments are finance, HR, manufacturing, supply chain, etc. Accounting keeps track of money while ERP like central system that manages money, stock, employees and other business operations all together. Now let us move into next. Account here introduction of Tally. Now what is Tally? Tally is an accounting software used by business to record financial transactions, manage accounts, analyze financial data. It helps organization keep accurate records of income and expenses, assets and liabilities, financial reports like profit and loss account and balance sheet. TallyPrime is the latest version and it widely used because it is simple, fast and reliable. Now that what Tally stands for, transaction allowed in a linear line yards. It reflects how Tally handles transaction in a structured and organized way. Now, history and evolution of Tally. Tally was developed by Tally Solutions Pvt Limited India in 1986. Initially, it was basic accounting software for small businesses. Over the years, Tally has evolved with advanced features, GST compliance, inventory management, banking and ERP integration. Today, Tally is used for businesses of all size or to manage financial operations efficiently. Think of Tally as a digital accountant that helps a business keep track of all money matters, prepare reports, and make informed decisions easily. Latest versions of TallyPrime and why it's popular. Now, the latest version of Tally is called TallyPrime. It is a modern, upgraded version of the original Tally software, designed to be faster, smarter, and more user-friendly. Why Tally is popular? Easy to use. The interface is simple and intuitive, and so even beginners can start recording transactions quickly. GST ready. It automatically supports GST compliance, helping businesses file returns like GST R1 and GST 3B easily. Fast data entry. Enter transaction quickly using vouchers, shortcuts, and automation features. Powerful reports. Generate profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, and other reports instantly for analysis. Affordable for SMEs. Small and medium businesses can be used Tally without heavy cost. Now, TallyPrime is like super efficient digital accountant. Get smaller response, upload files and images, more. Affordable for SMEs. Small and medium businesses can tally without heavy cost. Now, TallyPrime is like a super efficient digital accountant. Fast, easy, and accurate, helps with taxes and reports. Affordable for business of all sizes. Now, coming to features. Tally is more than just an accounting software. It has many features that help business manage the finances, stock, employees, and tax efficiently. Let us look them into a simple terms. Accounting management helps record sales, purchase receipts, and payments automatically. Maintains ledgers and accounts without manual collections. Then inventory management tracks stock items, quantities, and stock movements efficiently. Helps businesses know what's available, sold, or purchased at any time. Payroll management maintains employee records, calculates salaries, deductions like PF and ESI automatically. GST compliance automatically calculates GST on transactions, generate GST invoices and reports, making taxing easier. Now, GST compliance automatically calculates GST on transactions, generate GST invoices and reports, making tax filing easier. Report generation instantly generates reports like profit and loss account, balance sheet, trial balance, stock reports, helps managers make quick and informed decisions. Multi-user support allows multiple users to work on the same company data at the same time. Security features provides password protection, user access control, and data backup to keep data safe. User-friendly interface, easy navigation and simple menus make it easy for beginners to use. Tally is like a complete business assistant. It not only records money transactions but also manages stock, salaries, taxes, and generates useful reports, all while keeping data safe and accessible to multiple users. Next, advantages of using Tally. Tally is widely used because it makes accounting and business management easier, faster, and more accurate. Let us break down the key advantages. First, accuracy. Tally automatically calculates tools, reducing mistakes that happen when with manual accounting. Ensures that financial records are always correct. Speed. Transactions are recorded and proceed quickly, saving a lot of time compared to manual methods. Easy report generation instantly generates important reports like profit and loss account statement, balance sheet, trial balance, helps managers and businesses owners make informed decision quickly. Now, GST support automatically calculates the GST sales and purchases, generates GST invoices and reports for filing GST R1 3B, user friendly interface. Now, here, simple menu, easy navigation make it beginner friendly yet powerful for professionals. And next, efficient and data management. Safely stores financial data, organize it in efficiently and allows secure backups. Use it for multiple purpose like Tally is not only just a accounting, it can also handle inventory management, GST billing, payroll, banking, and financial reporting. Then Tally is like a smart digital accountant, saves time, reduces mistakes, organizes everything in one place, makes business management much easier. Tally installation steps. Before we can use TallyPrime, we need to install it in our computer. Here, how do you do it step by step? Step 1. Download TallyPrime. Visit the official website of the Tally Solutions. Click on Download TallyPrime. Then run setup. Open the downloaded TallyPrime setup file exe and then click install in setup window. Wait until the installation is completed. Step 3. Start TallyPrime. Click on TallyPrime then or open from the desktop icon. Step 4. License activation. Choose active license if you have a purchase license or select continue to educational mode to practice or learning purpose. Then installing TallyPrime is like installing any other softwares on your computer. Once installed, you can start recording transactions and learning accounting right anywhere. Navigation. Tally is keyboard friendly software, which means you can do almost everything using shortcuts without relying heavily on the mouse. Now, in the main screen, the gateway of Tally, when you open the Tally, you see the gateway of Tally, which is the central menu. From here, you can access company info, create or alter company details. Next, masters, create ledgers, stock items, and groups. Transactions, record watches like sales, purchase, payments, and receipts. Watches, view financial reports like profit and loss account, balance sheet, stock items. Now, important shortcuts keys. First, F2 helps to change date, and then F3 company info like select or alt company. F4 contra entry, F5 payment voucher, and then F6 recipient voucher, F7 general voucher, F8 sales voucher, F9 purchase voucher. And Tally is designed to fast data entry using keyboard. Then learning shortcuts keys saves a lot of time efforts and while recording transaction. The gateway of Tally like to control central to all the accounting work. Conclusion. Understanding accounting and ERP systems is essential for managing modern businesses efficiently. Let's summarize the key points. First, importance of accounting helps to track and manage business finances. It ensures businesses know what they earn, spend and own, and which is crucial for decision making. Now, ERP systems, enterprise resource planning, integrates all business departments like finance, HR, manufacturing, inventory into a one system. This integration improves efficiency, accuracy, coordination across the company. Role of TallyPrime is a comprehensive accounting software that helps manage accounting in the sales, purchase, payments, receipts, inventory, stock management, tracking and transfers, GST and taxation, payroll like salary, PF, ESI calculations. Its user-friendly interface and powerful features make it one of the most trusted ERP solutions. And why Tally is widely used in many companies. Simple and easy to learn, reliable and accurate, and then efficient for small and medium businesses. Coming to TallyPrime is like smart digital assistant for businesses, keep accounts organized, manage inventory texts, and connects different businesses operations, save time and reduces errors. Thank you.